So here I am again, thinking about this project, which when I started thinking about it, it was in a documentary sense, in a documentary kind of layout. And I have realized over time now that that is probably not what it is. So a much more convenient work way would be a kind of taking notes of what I remember from these trips, and I've just chosen to call it field notes instead of documentary, and it just takes away a lot of the expectations and a lot of the pressure also for my sake, and it also on top of that opens up for a much wider and broader way working with this. And in effect, what I will be doing is just go through the pictures of each trip and take in and discuss within myself, and also sharing what I remember and how these pictures relate to me now. And also trying to get a grip of what has happened within me during this decade, or a little bit more than a decade, that I've been doing these 32 trips, and how I have evolved from what I didn't know back then until now, of how much more I know, but still understanding that I'm still in the state of before knowing, as we pretty much all are always, that there is a time in history when we knew less of what we know now, and there is going to be a future where we will know more compared to what we know now. And it's kind of interesting, and I will try to get back to those feelings as I go, and hopefully it will reveal a lot about me as well. So that is the outlay of this now. And I think that the timing for this has been gradually, in one way, for me, I mean the shift of how I'm thinking about this. But I think it was just, say, some weeks ago when this new way of thinking about it, using field notes as the tool for getting in contact with the documentary. I think before I had this bombastic idea of taking everything that I have gathered and building one story around that. And it just got me stuck, because there were so many stories, so much there, that I couldn't really even decide where to start, or what will be important, what should be prioritized. And having so much material and trying to pull things out of that and putting it into one story would actually defeat the documentary sense of it, because I will be editing, or I would be putting my point of view into such a huge amount of material. So it would not really, there would be no chance of it being like a true documentary. It would be bits and pieces, and I think that my experiences then would be too much influencing the story. So then I guess field notes is a much more true way of going about it, because I will just have to accept that it is my view and my memories and my experiences that comes to play. And within it, I will also be able to investigate how it has changed me, how this before knowing up until now has been a journey within me, and also then what to expect from the future. Yeah. And yes, that would be probably the reason, and it will give me so much more room to move forward when I take this field notes instead, because it kind of just opens up for everything, and there is no boundaries for it. It removes the pressure, and at the same time it opens up so many doors for me to look into in other ways. And also, I think that it could be like an ongoing, forever ongoing kind of way to look at it, because even though I have at this point 32 trips to the continent of Africa, probably during the course of going through these trips one by one, there will probably be more trips. So it could just continue going about forever. And it will be a very useful tool for me to be able to look back also onto these ones. And I hope that it will become like a diary for me in one way, you know, and it will also give me a chance to reflect on all these things that I've experienced, all these things that I've gone through, all these people whom I've met and who have touched me in one way or the other. And I will probably find forgotten people within this story too, as I go through and look at what I have captured with my camera. I will probably find things that has gotten to which I've forgotten about, but will come up to the surface again, and who knows what that will be, and it's going to be very interesting for me. And I will just start off, I guess, with the first trip. The idea is for me to just print out photos, lay them in front of me on the table, and kind of start from scratch right there, not knowing what I will be digging out, and not in advance making too much plans about what there should be in content of this first Field Notes episode. So I will just start, and maybe it will change form as we go, and maybe it won't. Maybe it will be consistent, and I do suspect, though, that there will be some changes as we go, because it will be hard to stay consistent for 32 episodes. Doing the same thing over and over again will probably not be very revealing for me, or probably not very interesting either for anybody else to follow. So let's hang in there, and let's see what we can come up with. So thank you for listening. Bye.